Hi, I'm Jeff Brazil with the online programs from the University of Arkansas. In this chat, you will hear from Melody Miller, the Assistant Director of Marketing from the College of Engineering. Melody is going to talk about the Microcertificate in Analytics for Operations Managers. Hello, Melody. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, Jeff. Thank you.
We're very excited that you're here.
Thank you so much.
Can you give us a breakdown in this Microcertificate?
Certainly, operations management analytics, we're really focusing on the fact that businesses and government are really kind of everywhere. We use lots and lots of data these days, obviously,
Yes.
and a very necessary skill for those out in the workplace is the ability not just to parse through that data and understand it, but be able to manage that data and communicate what the data means to stakeholders and to others in the business. This microcertificate really prepares students to do that.
Can you use this Microcertificate to get your master's degree?
You can. That's really
Oh,
the
wow.
most exciting part about this is the microcertificate is a 2-course series, so it's 6 credit hours. And you can stop there if you'd like to, or you can take that microcertificate and stack that with other microcertificates and graduate certificates, or add that to your operations management or engineering management master's degree program. Either of those will accept that credential. It can stack for any or all of those together.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Absolutely.
Well, Melody, we want to thank you for your time today and all the information that you give us.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for watching. And if you have any questions and are interested in any of our online programs offered, you can visit our website or the contact information that is listed on this video. Have a great day, and remember, go Hogs!